Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So students, today in this video we will gonna discuss double entry system. Yes, how we record entries in books, in khates. Okay, that is known as double entry system in accounts, in business. At least two accounts works in opposite direction. If you are getting something, you are giving in exchange of it. Example, I purchase this pen of 10 rupees. I get this pen. I purchase this pen, and in return and in exchange, I have given rupees 10. Okay, one thing is credited to me, and other thing is one thing is debited to me, other thing is credited to me. That is known as double entry system. Okay, example written here, purchase furniture rupees 10,000. Okay, what I am getting? Furniture. It increase my debit side. Okay, what is giving? I am cash. Decrease credit side. Okay, so entry here will be furniture to cash 10,000. Okay, furniture to cash 10,000. 10,000. One thing's debit, another is credit. Okay, if you purchase furniture, you are getting a thing that will come in debit side. Okay, means that will ride upward or above. And what you are giving for it? Cash rupees 10,000. That will you write below. Okay, or downward, or 2 is necessary to write at this side, credit side. Okay, that is known as double entry system. One thing is getting debit, other thing is getting is credit. Okay, three rules are there in this. Okay, first two account are there, personal account and impersonal. Personal mean which is related to person, whether it's natural, artificial or representative. Okay, impersonal means real account and nominal account. I will explain you these account. Okay, okay student. Now personal account, that is related to individual, like a school, like a company, that is known as personal account. Some example were written, or I will clear you two terms here. Debtor means जिससे मुझे पैसा लेना है, क्रेडिटर मीन्स जिससे मुझे पैसा देना है, डेटर मीन्स who has taken loan or who has taken debt from me, and creditor from whom I had taken debt or loan. Okay, rules of personal account which is related to person. Okay, that is known as debit the receiver, credit the giver. Like this entry, what we are receiving is comes in debit side, what we are giving in exchange is comes in credit side. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, now three types of personal account are natural personal account, artificial and represent. Natural means which is related to human beings. Okay, that is a natural. Human natural person means like a account of mine in a bank, account of yours. Okay, artificial personal account means which is related to company, school. Example, school is not a person in existence, it is an artificial person. Represented means that group which represents other. Example, prepaid expense and accrued income. Prepaid expense means which I already prepared, that amount, that kharche which I have already prepared, already paid, that is known as prepaid expense. Example, earlier there was prepaid, postpaid, telephone bills are there. Accrued income means which I earned but not getting, जो मैंने कमा लिया है पर मुझे मिली नहीं है वो चीज़, वो पैसा भी मुझे मिला नहीं, that is known as accrued income. Next rule is, also guys, this is the personal account which related to personal, individual, firm, company, institution. Okay, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Second rule is real account which is related to tangible and intangible asset. Tangible asset which we can see and touch, intangible asset which we can't see and touch, which we can feel it progress, like somebody's reputation. Tangible asset example means furniture, books, phone which we can touch, that is known as tangible asset. Which we can't touch, that is known as intangible asset. Example, goodwill. Goodwill is known as reputation. Some others, reputation. All schools have reputation, having their reputation. From their reputation we can get information that which school is more better, or which school in which at which place in results. Okay, it all depends on its reputation. If they are working good, they are having better or good reputation in the surroundings. Okay, rule is real account rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What are comings, you should write debit side. What thing we are getting here, what things is coming to us is furniture. Debit what comes in, what thing is coming, furniture. Credit what goes out, what we are giving in exchange of it, cash. that will come in credit side. Debit means जो हम ऊपर लिखेंगे, credit means जो हम नीचे लिखेंगे. और okay, now third rule is nominal account. Nominal account is related to expenses, losses, gains, revenue. Okay, I'll clear you these four terms one by one. Expenses mean खर्चे, losses mean नुकसान, gains means फायदे, revenue means earning. Okay, again I'm repeating. Expenses means खर्चे, losses means नुकसान, gains means फायदे, revenue means कमाई. Okay, rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. I'm writing here its rule. I'm going to write here rule. Rule of it: nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Yes, first I cleared you for these terms. Rule: debit all expenses and losses. How many loss, खर्चे and नुकसान will become on debit side? How many कमाई and फायदे will come on credit side? So guys, this is the topic. These are the rules on the basis of which we prepared accounts. Okay, in the next video I will explain these rules with 2 or 3 example. It will clear this topic more easily to you. And what is left in this part is, in this portion is stages of accounting. Okay, thanks everyone.